YouTube subs. Today we're joined by Mr. Wayne. Mr. Wayne.
Yo, yo.
Man, come on, give it up.
What's good, my boy?
Come on, man. Man, today is a good day to be in the trade. Took some money off the market's table today. About 40 bucks. 40, 50 bucks. Got the account to 310. Check the equity, boys. Man, we were slandered last week. Absolutely slandered. Took to the penthouse and slandered out. Lost damn near fucking. So we started the account, I think, at 620, 630 last week. So do the math on that. That's probably like $310 lost last week. Like a dumb squandery little fucking rat. Sorry for the language, but damn! Shit hit me hard.
Yo.
Now we're coming back. Slowly but surely coming back like a slow ox. Ready to show its power to the almighty. Man. I started this week out noticing this new weekly opening gap. Saw that huge spike up this morning. Caught a trade right about here at that 4062 mark. Let me see if I can. I don't think we'll be able to show. Nope, it's all gone. I don't know how to get all those back. Comment down below. How do I get all my orders back from previous days on Trade of 8?
I noticed that as well for myself.
That sucks. Anyways, got in about this was probably it's one of the best trades that I took today, but should have not taken a lot of these trades that I took. Anyways, took this trade over here on a sell over that 4062 mark. I think I got in around 4063. Rode this down. I think I made a quick 50. Market open, quick 50. Notice that liquidity over 4062.50. Made a decent move down. Rode it for $50+ and so I was up 50. Then I continued to be a fool. Squandered my way. Saw this move coming up. Let's see. Right here. Boom, boom, boom. Made this 3-prong. I thought, hey, we're definitely going to access over that 66. Ended up taking a sell. Immediately rushed up. Stopped out. Took a couple squanders trades. So now I'm back about down about probably 30, 40 bucks on the day. Then seeing this little thing happen right up here. Manufactured that double top. This is manufactured with liquidity right here on the 5-minute. Double top. So I knew that was something big. I ended up taking a bunch of squanders trades for no reason in here. This week is all about just sniping the market, so I'm gonna end up just taking my time with this whole market this week and only getting into the trades that I feel are very favorable. Anyways, took this. This was the second best trade of the day after all these bullshit trades. Took this trade at about 40.82. Wrote it down for break even. I think I wrote this down $90. I think this was a $98 trade. Around $90 to $100 trade right here. Wrote this down. Ended up bouncing up. Yeah, that was that. I think I ended up being damn near break even or over break even, and my account was sitting at about 270, 280. And then I saw this trade. Saw these bottoms right here. This bottom, this bottom. Ended up taking a trade right here, that 40.52. Bounce up to about 40.57. Got out for the account that we're sitting at now. Account balance is 310 on the day, and the new weekly gap has been formed right here between these levels. Have that noted on the market. And Jerome Powell speaking tomorrow, Tuesday. Fed Chair Powell testifies. So that's going to be pretty hectic tomorrow at 10 o'clock. We're going to see huge volatility in the market. We'll probably sit out most of the time, just seeing what the market wants to do. Potentially we clear below all this right here. Potentially we even go up and clear above that 4090 level. Who knows? But what the heck?
What is that? That looks like some Patrick.
I think we got the Patrick Whalen candles on our chart. I ain't never seen that before. Anyways, Mr. Wayne!
Yo.
What'd you do on today? How was your day? How was your last week? I know it's been a minute, but how was last week? How was your day, man? Talk to us.
Yeah, last video, my audio didn't record, so everything that I said of value was flushed down the toilet. But, today, yeah, we're just getting by, building it up. Today, grabbed a quick 5 handles. Nothing too crazy, but sustainable. Better than a loss. Drew and I have really been refining the process lately. Got an entire trading algorithm listed out. Put it on Twitter recently. You can view that at my Twitter. It'll be at the end of the video. But got some really good feedback from the community, in which I really appreciate. It wasn't the craziest, algorithm by any means, or craziest information by any means, but it's what I've taken away so far over the last 2 months, and to see the feedback from the community and just how everyone interacts together was really cool and just rewarding for me. I really enjoy the whole community, you know what I'm saying? As Drew and I have talked about in the past, like, it's a lonely craft, so everyone can get together on there and Discord, and it's a good time. But overall, I know this is one of those things where the more you know, the less you know. So when you get closer, you get a little bit further every time. And so right now, I know there's about 20 things that I need to define and really internalize to completely understand each one of these terms and what I'm using them for and why I'm using them. And Drew and I were talking the other day. I said, if we just learn each one of these individually, like take a day or a week or however long it takes to learn each one of these terms and how to use these specific tools, and I think it'll make us a lot more profitable and productive in the future and get us closer to our goals. But overall, besides trading, just been focused on the gym. My cousin Austin, I've talked about him before on here. He's flying in tomorrow night, so hopefully he can see some trades and get him a little one step closer to the process. Maybe get him into it eventually. But he's a youngin', so I'm trying to inspire him now to get started. So maybe in the next 5-6 years he can really thrive at something like this. When he's 22 years old, if he studied for the next 5 years, he's 17 now, he'd be 22. And man, I just think about Lambo Raul or someone like that, where the sky's the limit if you really put your mind to something like this. So yeah, trying to do the same thing myself. I wish I would have started earlier, just like the gym, just like certain things in my life, but taking it day by day, man. That's it.
Damn right. Still
Happy to be here.
Still fairly in our youth as well, so we got some time. But man, this is what trading's all about: just the consistent small little baby steps and
That's
getting
it.
right and fighting the battle of greed. Man, it's what I've been dealing with lately. last week, losing all that money, man, just like, just being so greedy with the market is definitely one sure way to blow up your account. So take what you can get in the market. Take your 5 handles and get out and dip
Log out.
because it is not a fun feeling when you lose $300 a week and you're back damn near to square one of where you started. So blessed to still be here, blessed to still have this account, but wish I wouldn't have been so damn greedy. I was damn near break even from that huge loss that I had last week, that $160 loss the first Monday. Was damn near down like $80 on the week. Could have just took that and came back today and been back over that 600 mark, and then been closer towards that goal of $1,000 that we're trying to get to in the account initially. So greed, do not let greed affect you. It's definitely affected me, and I feel like I always want to get more and more out of the markets. I just want to keep trading, and last week was very bad for me to do that, and this week I want to just settle down, be more meticulous, take 1 shots, 1 kills, and stop all the shenanigans that I've been doing. So yeah, that is the goal of this week, is to just narrow it down, be very precise, and if the market never hits where I want it to hit, then we'll not get in. So that is that.
Yeah, I want to see what ICT and everyone's doing this week, but I heard Lambo on his story say today he won't be trading this week at all. He said, just like making capital, preserving it is just as important. So
exactly,
I'll be observing them.
We have, I think Jerome Powell speaks twice. We got a bunch of news all this week. Jerome Powell speaking again Wednesday. So he not only speaks tomorrow, but he also speaks again Wednesday.
What's the different news for each topic?
It's just all going to be about due to testify about semi-annual monetary policy report before the House Financial Services Committee in Washington, D.C. Prepared statement, then he'll answer questions on the session. Since the questions are not known beforehand, they can make for some unscripted moments that can lead to heavy market volatility. So, hectic week this week. Definitely will be wary at 10 o'clock. Tomorrow at 10 o'clock, it's going to be crazy. So, we may as well just stay out the markets as well, because it's just going to be damn near gambly.
Yeah, we can observe though, see what's going on.
Yeah, we'll observe, and it'll slow down eventually. It'll slow down probably after lunchtime, and then potentially we'll get a trade in. But yeah, I think in the mornings, especially 10 o'clock, it's going to go real crazy, and then after lunchtime we'll settle down and see if we can't play something. But big week, so we're just going to take this week consistent. We're going to take this week small. We're going to take this week day by day, tick by tick, look for that liquidity, and snipe this market. So that is that. I think that's going to wrap it up. Mr. Wayne! You got anything left to say? You want to say anything else?
Yeah. Keep your head up. Keep pushing forward. Go to that gym. Write down your goals and just start getting active today. Because this thing promised, and I'm sure it goes fast, and they'll get on top of it.
Damn right. Wise words. But that was gonna wrap it up from us. Mr. Wayne in the building. Trey Drew. This is 0 to a Million. See you guys in the next